is way bigger than I thought it was.
It's a giant metal dick. You're fucking the universe with your giant metal dick. That's what it is.
I mean,
But
yeah, it is very big.
And the sheer numbers of them that you guys are making. And then this is a version, and you have a new updated version that's coming soon. And what is the difference?
It's a little longer.
More pointy?
It's the same amount of pointy, but it's got a bit more length. The interstage, you see that the interstage section with kind of like the grill area. Mm-hmm. That's now integrated with the boost stage. So we do what's called hot staging, where we light the ship engines while it's still attached to the booster. So the booster engines are still thrusting. It's still being pushed forward by the booster of the ship. But then we light the ship engines, and the ship engines actually pull away from the booster, even though the booster engines are still firing.
Whoa.
So it's blasting flame through that grill section, but we integrate that grill section into the boost stage with the next version of the rocket. And next version of the rocket will have the Raptor 3 engines, which are a huge improvement. You may have seen them in the lobby, because we've got like the Raptor 1, 2, and 3, and you can see the dramatic improvement in simplicity. We should probably put a plaque there to also show how much we reduced the weight, the cost, and improved the efficiency and the thrust. So the Raptor 3 has almost twice the thrust of Raptor 1.
Wow.
So you see Raptor 3, it looks like it's got parts missing, right?
And how many of them?
It's very, very clean.
How many of them are on the rocket?
There's 33 on the booster.
Whoa.
And each Raptor engine is producing twice as much thrust as all 4 engines on a 747.
Wow.
So that engine is smaller than a 747 engine, but is producing, almost 10 times the thrust of a 747 engine.
Wow.
So extremely high power to weight ratio,
and so when
there's 33 of them.
When you're designing these, you get to Raptor 1,
yeah.
You see its efficiency, you see where you can improve it. You get to Raptor 2. How far can you scale this up with just the same sort of technology, with propellant and ignition and engines? Like, how much further can you?
I mean, we're pushing the limits of physics here. And really, in order to make a fully reusable orbital rocket, which no one has succeeded in doing yet, including us, but Starship is the first time that there is a design for a rocket where full and rapid reusability is actually possible. So it was not. There's not even been a design before where it was possible. Certainly not a design that got made any hardware at all. We live on a planet where the gravity is quite high. Like Earth's gravity is quite high. And if the gravity was even 10 or 20% higher, we'd be stuck on Earth forever.
Really?
Like we could not certainly couldn't use conventional rockets. You'd have to like blow yourself off the surface with like a nuclear bomb or something crazy. So on the other hand, if Earth's gravity was just a little lower, like even 10, 20% lower, then getting to orbit would be easy. So it's like this. If this was a video game, it's set to like maximum difficulty, but not impossible.